Hello, I am Professor Ganesh Ramakrishnan from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, IIT Bombay. What we are demonstrating here is the use of machine translation, post editing tool and ecosystem that we have developed to enable the speedy translation of technical content, including slides, tutorials, and books into Indian languages. The demonstration here is on Hindi. In fact, this can be eventually extended to non-Indian languages as well. So what we have here is the first slide of my slide deck on machine learning and artificial intelligence, part of the courses that I teach here. So you see the title slide, Machine Learning Se Parichay, Introduction to Machine Learning, Prashikshak, Professor Ganesh Ramakrishnan, Vyakhyan 1, Parichay or Prerna, which is a translation of Lecture 1, Introduction and Motivation. Let me randomly jump to one of the other slides where I'll show the effective use of this ecosystem. So the title is मूल्यांकन के लिए हमें किस भार सदिश का उपयोग करना चाहिए. So here's the context. This is part of the slides on neural networks. One of the basic units or components of neural network is a perceptron, and the perceptron has a weight vector. The perceptron algorithm gets trained on data, and there's a weight vector that gets updated. Now, once the algorithm converges, which weight vector should be used for evaluation? That's the topic of discussion here. Now, Bhar Sadish has come up as a translation. Is that appropriate for weight vector? Well, on the left-hand pane, you see dictionary entry is from CSTT, a technical terminology dictionary published by the government of India. And you can see that weight is bhar in math as well as in physics. Vector is translated as sadisha in maths, physics, and also IT. So we are fine with this first. मूल्यांकन के लिए हमें किस भार सदिश का उपयोग करना चाहिए. And then option 1, विकल्प 1, use the final W at test time. टेस्ट के समय अंतिम W का उपयोग करें. Now W is fine, but maybe we don't want test to be transliterated. Maybe we want to be consistent with what was in the title, evaluation. Evaluation is what we are talking about. So we could just use the same word, and hereafter the mapping of test to Mulyankan will get stored and come up as a suggestion as we continue editing. So maybe we are happy with the translation here. मूल्यांकन के समय अंतिम W का उपयोग करें. हमें अच्छा विचार, हमेशा अच्छा विचार नहीं होता. Not always a good idea. Now this is not a very satisfactory translation, so we could edit it here. हमेशा उपयुक्त नहीं होता. Let's proceed. विकल्प 2, option 2, use an intermediate W, एक मध्यवर्ती W का उपयोग करें. We are happy with it. Now there are 2 sub items under option 2 or vikalp 2, and they are listed below. Voted perceptron has been transliterated as voted perceptron. In bracket, the English is also presented. वजन सदिशों के लिए वोट गिनना यह बताता है कि उन्होंने कितने उदाहरणों को सही ढंग से वर्गीकृत किया है. वर्गीकृत is for classified. So this seems to be a reasonable translation. And again, Vajan and Sadish could be looked up here. Now you might want to use bhar for weight rather than Vajan to be consistent. So you can pick that up from the CSTT dictionary showed on the left. So भार सदिशों के लिए वोट गिनना यह बताता है कि उन्होंने कितने उदाहरणों को सही ढंग से वर्गीकृत किया है. You don't have to even use गिनना में भी भार सदिशों के लिए वो वोट यह बताते हैं. That's another possibility. Now coming to the second option, averaged perceptron, औसत perceptron. मतदान के बजाय एल्गोरिथम के अंत में औसत वजन सदिश का उपयोग करें. So maybe we are also happy with this translation. Now you can also use a right click option here. For example, if for certain words you might have made edit in the past and you'd probably like those to come up, so you could go to a word and right click to see suggestions for that word, and you can pick one of those suggestions. While I had shown one possible replacement for test based on Mulyankan, let's say I retain test, but I wanted to see how have translated say test in the past. So I could also look at suggestions, and here I find prayog. So this way I could also reuse corrections I made from my history. Thank you. This way we would like to invite uh, faculty members to share slides that they have prepared. Um, our team would be happy to get them very quickly, rapidly translated into Hindi with due acknowledgement and shared back with you. Thank you very much.